Morning world, Hippy Trev here. Another beautiful day up here in paradise. Roll that intro.
Hi, Hippy Trev here and welcome to my channel. Hope you get something out of it.
Right, our world, another beautiful day up here in paradise. I'm getting organised to head over to Scarybrough. Cold start on the boat this morning, so she hasn't been started or run yet, so we'll give a bit of a warm up before we take off. I'll get my ciggy lit up. Got a couple rolled up in the ashtray down there, so all ready to go. Seat belt's done. So I had something interesting yesterday. So I went down the street and dropped the letter off to send the stickers off to Peter Hughes. Thank you again so much for the candle, Peter. And everyone who commented on yesterday's video, thank you very, very much. And yeah, Peter Hughes is a really fucking top guy. So I've sent off him some stickers. And like I said to anyone else, if you want some stickers, just send me your self-stamped addressed envelope with $5 in it to 21 Tarn Street, Biggin, 4621 Queensland. So anyway, I went down and dropped that off, went for a bit of a run. I went and put some fuel in the tank, so I got enough to get to Scarybrough and back today, which I'm going to pick up a solar panel. Make sure I don't hit no postie or anything like that. It's hot and sticky already. Once I get going out the road, I'll be fine. And anyway, I caught up with my friend Michaela. She's a bit of an IT wizard here, and she builds web pages and stuff here in town. And she said that, oh, can you go and see Harry Custom Cycles? Apparently he needs me to make a web page for him. So I pulled up out the front of his workshop there. I turned the boat off, and it kept running on pre-ignition. Like, what the fuck? So I turned it back on, it ran, turned the key to the off position again, and it kept running on pre-ignition. I'll just wait for this car. I did that like 2 or 3 times, and it kept running on pre-ignition, then it did actually finally stop. So yeah, I got home, parked up in the driveway, turned the car off, stopped. Turned it on, turned it off a few times, and stopped and started. Absolutely no problem at all. Then waited a couple of hours. I was actually pinging a little bit, so I got the so I got my spanner out, loosened off the distributor, just retarded it a little bit, let it sit for a while, then went out and did another drive out to the meatworks and back. Pulled up and stopped, and no problem. So I don't know what was going on yesterday with the pre-ignition, but it's never done that before, ever. I will be excited to go back onto electronic distributor. I don't know what the hell won't happen there by the pre-ignition. That noise in the back is Calypso's trolley jack. It's making a bit of a noise crackling in the back. Hang on, I'll just light the smoke up again. Alright. Let's out of town. Let's go. One-way stupid bridge. Oh, that's going to be a noisy trip over. That thing rattling in the back of the car. So I'm basically heading over to pick up, drop the jack off, but I'm heading over to pick up a solar panel, maybe 2. They gave me some measurements yesterday, so hopefully it'll fit in the back of the boat here. It's going to be a very tight fit. Apparently it's a 265 or 275 watt panel. They're only $30 each. I think he's got 2 of them there, and if he's got 2, I'm going to grab both of them. They're like, you know, like second-hand solar panels are really, really cheap. And for a massive big bloody 270 watt panel, they only want $30. Now I've also brought my multimeter with me so I can make sure that they're actually working. So that'll be really good. So one of them definitely going back up on the bus roof. Beautiful Mount Walsh over there, looking absolutely gorgeous. I can actually see the horse up there today. And the horse isn't actually, what's that in front of me? Oh shit, dead parrot. There's a horse up there just above the crest. You can't really see it. You won't pick up the GoPro, but it's actually a tree line in the shape of a horse. And it takes a bit of pointing out to people, but it does. It actually looks like a horse on the run. But anyway, yeah, Kyle them out, looking absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I'm hoping to pick up one, maybe two solar panels today over in Scarybrough. And catch up with Calypso. And I might even go to a controversial product shop and maybe pick up one more pouch, depending. I've got a mouldy one here I need to return. But whether they'll actually refund that, it's been so long since I actually got it, like that was last year when I picked it up, before Christmas, but I went over and picked it up from Two Jodies. So whether they honour that or not, I don't really know, but it's like $30 a pouch. I won't be too disappointed. So anyway, let's hope for a trouble-free trip over and back. Rain we had, and we've got more rain coming again on Friday, today being Tuesday, so we've got rain coming Friday. They're only saying 15 mil each day for the next couple of days, so a bit over an inch in the next like for 2 days will be about an inch drop in about 2 days, so shouldn't really cut any roads off. Oh, big bunch of road base there, obviously they're planning on doing some road works out here. Big announcement by good old fucking Elbow. Even though I hate the prick and I want him gone, they've allocated another $7 billion, I think, for the Bruce Highway. And I think that's absolutely wonderful. There's been 3 people killed on that highway already this year, just between Scarybrough and Gingin. They're going to do it from Cairns all the way down to, I believe, Maryborough or Gympie. They've added another $7 billion to it. It's long overdue. 46 people last year died on that Bruce Highway up here in Queensland. Most of it's between Rockhampton and Gympie. But you can narrow it down to probably even smaller than that. But pretty much Rockhampton to Gympie, 46 people killed on that Bruce Highway last year. 1 year alone. Oh, the tree down. So yes, definitely going to be a big pain for everyone having the roadworks going on, but it's well overdue. They need to install a shitload of overtaking lanes and dual carriageways. Tight little corner. I'm assuming Brother Ross put these signs up. That's what he does, working for Road Tech. Boat's running beautiful. About to head onto this skinny little shitty ass bit of road that I've nearly get taken out on the bike every time. There's 2 sections, hopefully with all that road base I saw, that if they're going to do any road works, this is where they start, where it goes into 1 lane here. Just hope I don't have a 4-wheel drive coming the other way, bloody spraying me with rocks and shit and smash my windscreen. That arsehole come around this corner here on my side of the road and didn't move over when I was on the bike. It literally took me out somewhere around about here. So let's hope they ever, like they use that, start doing some road works out here. Let's hope there's another section of road they start working on and make this wider. I've really been taken out on this section of road more than once over the past few years on the bike. Downright dangerous. Oh, there we go. It's not even moving over. That's what I mean, you know, you come around there on the bike and no one moves over. It took a long time to move over. Roadworks up ahead, that's channel 12. And there we got these stupid little one-way bridges. I'll slow down and get off the road, give this truck a lot more room, give him all the room he needs. Yeah, a bit of noise coming through on the CV there, so I'm just wondering if I've got roadworks up ahead. It's not the truckie channel. Another stupid little one-way bridge. I was coming the other way on the bike and this four-wheel drive was coming the way I'm travelling now. They had the give way sign and I was just approaching the bridge and they went straight through the give way sign, didn't pull up, didn't stop. Scarybrough turn off. Whomper. Not sure enough was coming the other way from Waluga. Nope, very good. Oh yeah, rough rugged ride over to Scarybrough. Well, coming to the outskirts of Scarybrough, Oakhurst. Hey Ted, God I miss you brother. Another one lost. So yeah, coming to the outskirts of Scarybrough. This is Oakhurst where I first lived in Queensland on a block Ted had organised. Some 16 years ago, 16, 17 years ago when I first moved up here. Far out. It'd be 17 years ago because I arrived in 08, so 3 years from now I've been up here 20 years. Bloody hell, time goes. Alright, so we're going to make our way into heart of Scarybrough, catch up with Calypso, hand off this jack in the back. Then I may go down to, there is a controversial product shop not far from there. I might walk down or still in the hunt for a couple of CB antennas, so whether I can find the speed limit's 80. Come on, there we go. Well, the boat ran beautiful on the way over, no problems, just apart from that bloody lizard I skittled. Poor bugger had no hope, went straight under the car. I'm sure he went under either the front or the back wheel. Oh, go down, get a bit more fresh air in. Well, righto, Welds, that was a very uninteresting run into Scarybrough. Like I said, apart from that lizard I skittled, the poor little bugger. He was just running across the road, and I was doing about 70 mile an hour, and I couldn't really avoid him or swerve him, so I ended up skittling him, the poor bugger, flat as a pancake, I'd say. But anyway, so yeah, about to make our way into the heart of town there, where I'll catch up with Calypso. No catching up with Cute Jodie though. She's off on her bike. Her and her partner Terry are off riding around the countryside somewhere, so half a luck. I need to do that, start getting out on the bike a bit more often. I've ever been just sort of, well, partly stuck at home because I had the car and the bike in the naughty corner for a little while, and then the rains all come, and I've had a few other things happening, and I haven't really had a plan on anywhere to ride to anyway, so I need to sort of work out at some stage in the future, very near future, where to do a bike run to. I do have to go up to Bundy at some stage. I do need some I need to get some more chems from the bogger. Now the place I'm going for the solar panels, I'm not going there now because they're not going to be home till about midday. It's only just gone 10 in the AM, so I've got 2 hours to kill. Once I get through this roundabout there, oh, that's noisy. That channel 12's been noisy ever since I left Bigoton. So I don't know where I'm picking that signal up from. So yeah, where I'm picking the solar panels up on, as I head through, they're the 3rd Street on the left, once I clear this roundabout. Well, I think actually it's 4th Street, 3 after this one on the left. So I'll try and pick the name of it up as I go past. I don't have a phone number or anything, so I'm working solely on memory. One. Oh. 2. Yep, that one there. Alright, so I've got a landmark from the way home to cruise down there and pick up the solar panel. That's really good. 470, that's Bigoton.
Bravo Mike 470, take number 5.
Yeah. Bravo Mike 470, that's Bigoton. Anyway, so this is pretty much the start of downtown Scarybrough. There is a super cheap here on the right. Whether they sell CB gear or not, no idea. These are a very long-winded set of lights. Ah, we're going. Cool. Well, it says green, but whether we get through them or not. Oh, come on. So there's Maccadee's, Macca's. So I'm going to pull in here at the next set of lights in the shopping centre, and hopefully Calypso will be here waiting for me somewhere. Oh, left-hand turn. I hate shopping centres. There's Autobahn there. Oh God, people don't know how to fucking drive.
VKR to any Bundaberg unit available to attend to code 241.
Oh, this guy's just going to pull out in front.
For a domestic violence.
Oh, they're fucking rude. They're just fucking rude, these people.
Informant Trisha Peel has threatened to intake heroin, shoot informant, and harm her daughter. Code 2.
Oh, this guy can't even fucking back straight. This is why I hate shopping centres. It's a bloody nightmare. Fucking, oh God, Granny, you're about fucking 70 years old.
Section of Bravo 413.
Alright, let's see if I can find a clear place. Oh shit, I can't go any further here.
Yeah, Jimmy, can
Damn.
you divert to that code 2 job, please?
I thought I'm in the wrong part of the shopping centre.
Yeah, received.
Thank you, Bravo 413, showing you proceeding. Code 2, 1010.
Yeah, 413, acknowledge code 2 from East Bundaberg.
Alright. This is not where I want to be. I go after the sort of like.
The informant was in the Department of Housing. She was at the job address when a Trisha Peel threatened to take heroin, shoot the informant, and threatened to harm her daughter. Daughter is 20-year-old Bridie Peel. As the informant left, Peel was banging on the daughter's doors and screaming for her to get out and threatening to punch her head in. Are you familiar with this POI and this address?
Right, this is where I was meant to turn here.
Yeah, very familiar.
Receive that, thank you.
Right, yeah, this is more like it. Alright, well, I got out of there easy enough. I thought I was going to be a little bit stranded, actually. That'll be Calypso ringing me. Now I just got to find a parking spot.
436 Alpha. 436 Alpha, this is mobile, over. 436 Alpha, mobile, 1011.
County Bravo 413, just for your info, we've had a repeat call from the neighbours, can hear shouting, arguments over drugs and slamming doors.
There's subway.
413 received.
I'm sure I don't run over anybody. I really fucking hate shopping centres. Might go up there in the KFC car park, actually. Although, there was some more parking. Alright, some parking spots here. Alright. Pulled up and stop. Rightio, well, so I've pulled up and parked opposite Station Square. Now I've got to get on the phone to Calypso and let him try and find me. So, right, I'll get back to you a bit later. Bye. Rightio, Wells. Just caught up with Calypso, dropped the jack off, had a bit of a chat. See you, mate. Oh, God, I hate these shopping centres. They're a pain in the arse. So I'm just going to go up here, cut the streets. I'm hoping to find the tobacco shop because I've got that mouldy pouch of tobacco. I'll turn this round. Somewhere along the street there's the tobacco shop, one that's parking, and then I've still got to try and find a place where I can pick up a CB antenna. Still got an hour up my sleeve. So somewhere along here is Mo's Tobacco. And like I said, I'm still looking for a spot where I might be able to buy Watkins Electrical Bradshaw TVs. Now you was telling me about that. Loading zone. You can't do a fucking U-turn there, mate. I'm illegally parked, but I'm just going to quickly run in and see what I can. What does this clown want? Yeah. Who are you? What's that say? I can't read it. What about it? I can't see, mate. I haven't got my glasses on. Phone? I have no idea what you're talking about. Hang on, this guy's taken off, I'm going to pull forward. I don't know what that guy, that clown's all about. I can't understand him, he's obviously got fucking cancer of some sort. Alright, I've got a parking spot. Alright, I'm going to go in and see if I can get some tobacco. Alright, well, I went in and they didn't replace that bag because it was half empty, and had a good chat to her, and like at $30 a pouch I really don't give a shit. So anyway, Calypso's got his jack. I've got some more controversial product that I wasn't going to buy, so I'll see how this stuff goes. And now I'm going to have a bit of a drive around, see if I can find somewhere to I'll go a bit further. I'll go up and come back, see if I can find somewhere where maybe I can buy a CB antenna. There is an auto barn back the other way, so I might do a U-bolt and go back there.
Maryborough unit, please check the push patrol.
Well, scanner's working nicely. So I've got about an hour before I can go and pick up my solar panels. They're not until midday, and it's just gone 11 in the AM. So I'm going to do a bit of a U-bolt. Make sure there's nothing behind me. Nope. We'll go and see if we can head into Autobahn. I just don't like the idea of leaving the boat in the shopping centre. Whoop. Oh, threw on a fucking red light. I hope they didn't have a camera on it. I don't think so. So Autobahn's just up here on the left somewhere. I just find everything so cluttered in this town. Weird. Scarybrough, alright, there's a lot of fucking ice junkies in this town, absolutely fucking everywhere. Right, so where is Autobahn? Whoop. I think it's up here on the left somewhere. Autobahn, where are you? There, alright. How do I get into it? Looks like I do a left and go around the back. Alright. Bit similar to how they do it in Bundy. The scanner's working well.
Bravo, Bravo, 451.
Right. Let's go in and see if I can find myself a CB antenna. Right, well, I'll go and see if I can find myself a CB antenna, and I'll catch you on the way out. Right, well, no joy there. They only have one antenna. Oh. I won $106 for a goddamn CB antenna. So I've got one more place to try on the way out. $106 for a fucking CB antenna, no way. The battery in this camera's about to go flat too, so hopefully it won't cut out before I stop.
Big guy there from Mike 301 confirming steam mail. So keypad has been updated. Yeah, received you
I'll turn you around.
Copy that, right,
Getting a bit hungry. There's a joint on the way out of town called Bob's Tyres. Apparently he sells CB gear, so we're going to have a look there. And apparently that's the only joint in town that does it. No one else does. Getting warm and sticky. I think there's rain coming. There's storm clouds everywhere here, so it looks like Maryborough might be in for a touch of a shower. So we're looking for a place called Bob's Tyres. So there's Repco there, but we'll just head for Bob's Tyres, and if that's no good, I'll just pull up and park and wait till these people are going to be home to pick up the solar panels. I've been sober for a week, so I feel like it might be drinks times tonight. I might have a couple of drinks tonight maybe. But I've been sober for a week, I've been good. Up opposite the skate park, turn right. Not this one, but the next one, I think. Yep. I saw this joint on the way in and thought, yeah, that sounds like a go. Alright, we'll go and ask these guys if they got any CB gear and see what happens. At least I'm not near any fucking shopping centre. I feel heaps better. I can actually leave the windows down here. Righto, well, so I'm going to have a check out here and see how I go. So, righto, well, it's no luck there. It's like you cannot buy a CB antenna anywhere. The only one he could get me close to what I was looking for, $320 fucking. It's all a bit too much, so Anyway, I've got a bit over about 40 minutes before I can get to where I need to go to pick up the solar panels. So before I get to where that is on the way out of town, there's a little Milky Bar type thing. I might just pull in there and grab something to eat and a bit of a drink and sit down and have a smoke and wait like I'm waiting for this traffic to get out of my way. A little milk bar-y cafe type thing just up ahead, so I'm going to pull in there. And I've got just on half an hour to wait, so I might grab something to eat and maybe a chocky milk or something, go grab my solar panels and head home. Perfect. Hot food and drink, just what we want. Right, Wells, we're going to grab from Gub. Right, Wells, he was a really, really nice bloke. You probably can't see him in the back there, they're massive. So I picked up two really good sized solar panels. I don't know what wattage they're rated at, but they're huge. 60 bucks the pair for two solar panels. Where is he? So yeah, mate, thank you. He was such a nice bloke. Apparently he was from Biggin as well. God, small world. So we had a good chat there for a good 10-15 minutes. So I picked up two really checked them with the multimeter. They're both putting out 32 volts, which is perfect. Right, hang on. Fucking Scarybrough traffic. Full on, all the time. Come on. I got it. Oh, yep, we're out. Woohoo! Hot dog. Alright, just coming on to it's 11:50 in the AM, so not quite midday yet. We're heading home, and it's really starting to warm up. Rightio, well, it's back in the big. Woohoo, hot dog. Under an hour. So we just clocked over 50 miles in under an hour. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. So anyway, not far from home, and it's certainly starting to get a bit warm. Boat just ran beautiful all the way home. Didn't have a car in front of me, didn't have a car behind me, didn't have anything anywhere. So that was a really cruisy trip home. Just how we like it. I don't know what that was, but they waved to me. Oh, going through town's dead quiet. Jen's Treasure's still not open. Bakery's still not open. Probably never going to open. Town's dead. A little bit at the supery, and that's about it. Alright, I'm going to call into the alcoholic beverage shop and grab myself something for tonight. I've been good for a week, so I'm going to be naughty tonight. Why the fuck not, eh? Right, well, I'm going to drop into the shop and I'll be back. And no, was it no pre-ignition. No pre-ignition, so that was really good. All right, I'm gonna go in the shop, grab myself something. Oh, howdy. Very good. Oh. There you go, mate. No single barrel.
No talent, mate. I couldn't help what you're looking for, buddy.
Oh, so I'll pay up the counter, mate.
Pay the counter?
Yeah, I always pay up there. Oh. There we go.
turkey. Don't know where it would be.
What?
My eyes. $75, darling.
Sounds good to me.
Over there. On the where you're making shots.
Oh, just waiting. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, even
there you go.
barbed.
We good?
Whatever's got
It's
there.
taking time for me to do today too.
All good?
Darling. Yep.
Right, thank you. Catch you later. See ya. Oh. Job done. A 1 litre wild turkey. We get at least 2 nights out of that. Alright, let's go on. I might come back to the Super Lady, grab some milk. Can't bother getting it now when I get home. Grab them solar panels out and show you what I bought. What I'm very happy with. Yeah, so I wonder when Jen's going to open again. Maybe next week, definitely not this week. We'll do a last bit of a spurt home. Down past the cattle yard. So this is going to be the major highway soon when they start working on the bridge. Start pulling it down. That's supposed to happen, well, they said it was going to start in January this year. So whether they do actually start January or February, I'm not really sure. Right, I'm going to turn that off. Oop, turn that off. There's Harry's truck, parked out the front there, advertising his business. Nothing coming. Hey Harry, you've got a few bikes in there. I wonder if that boy's home. There's a story in itself. So Dick Face's car hasn't moved since I can't remember when, so I'd say he's done his licence again. Apparently the people at the motel put in a huge complaint about him too. It wasn't just roaring up and down my street here, he was actually roaring up and around the motel being a fuck, but I could hear him all the way from my place going around the motel like a fucking idiot. So after 2 years of not having his licence, he gets it back for approximately a month, if that, and lost it again. So didn't learn a fucking thing. Rightio, safely home in the driveway. Woohoo, hot dog, we're here, job done. Yeah, actually I'll pull into the shed. That way when I've got the solar panels out, I don't have to burn my feet. Shut down. Rightio, well, it's job done. Safely home in the driveway, absolutely fantastic. I'll go around the back now and I'll pull the tool. I'll go around the back now and I'll do that again. I'll go around the back now and I'll pull a couple of solar panels out and let you know what I've got. So, well, there they are. That's the size of them. Look at this. The size of these panels. Hang on. I'll just lean one up against the back of the car here for the moment. So there you go. Oh, shit. Just tripped over the fucking tyres. So there's the size of them. They're different, but it doesn't matter. So there's 2 different panels. I think we've got 260 watts there on the back, 32 volt, but I think there are 260 watts panels. Pretty hard to believe, eh? Look at the size of them, they're huge. 2 panels, $60 for both of them panels. Can you believe that? Back in the day, I probably would have paid over $1,000 for them. $60 cash for those 2 panels. One's going up on the bus. One will go on the DC retreat. Maybe I've actually got a regulator. I've got to get out of the sun, it's burning my feet. My feet aren't acclimatised to this. So yeah, look at that, world. Look at the size of them fucking panels, they're huge. No, well, like I said, boat ran beautiful all the way there and back. Couldn't find any CB antennas. They don't exist anymore, especially especially the 6 foot ones. I'd even settle for one 6 foot 27 meg antenna if someone can find me one and want to send it to me. I'll definitely pay for it if they can find me one, but I can't. But I want at least a 6 foot whip with no attachments, just the antenna itself. UHF would be good, but even if someone can find me a 6 foot 27 meg whip antenna, that would be fantastic. So Anyway, world, mission accomplished. Caught up with Calypso. He's got his jack. He'll be a very happy boy. So good catching up with you today, Calypso. And gave him another sticker because the other one had sort of disintegrated, unfortunately. So anyway, world, job done. Got myself some alcoholic beverage for tonight. Sit down later on after I get a few things done, get into that. So anyway, world, boat run beautiful. Like I said, everything's just, and it was just one of the easiest trips there and back. And I'll tell you what, she's a bit warm out there today. She's probably about 38 degrees out there at the moment, and we've certainly got storms building, and we've certainly got storms coming. So that puts it probably about 80% humidity as we speak at the moment. So, I'll turn that way. No, I'll go this way. Anyway, world, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and I will catch you later. Bye.